Hi, per parents. Tingnan naman kami ni Paris again. And para itry itong bago ni Vital recipe. Okay? Strawberry flavor. Tingnan nyo naman, very natural siya. Made of real chicken. Pero, kita nyo, fruity fresh siya. Strawberry. Kaya naman itatry natin to kay Paris. Okay? Nakakatulong din daw ito panlinis ng kanyang teeth. Okay? Try natin tong strawberry flavor. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Very natural. Kaya, alam nating safe na safe for Paris. Okay? Chingens? Is it good? Siyempre, per parents, don't forget, kailangan din nila ng water at supervise natin sila while eating this one. Okay? And, check this out. Marami siyang flavors. Okay? Alam niyo na gagawin.